All right, go ahead. Good
Very
job.
good.
Okay,
You can do it again.
Dad.
Go ahead. Pull.
Dad, I'm not doing it right there. I'm doing it on the tree.
Okay.
Go.
Mom, was that?
You do it. Pull.
Okay. Right. Hey. Right there. Right there.
Good job.
I'm gonna go right.
Stand up tall. Stand up tall.
Daddy can help you.
Dad, I'm gonna go right there. Right. Dad, move over. Move over. Dad, no, move this way.
What's wrong? Hey, don't move off. You're all
That.
That's good. Good job. Go ahead. Very good job.
Good job, Tyler.
Try to be nice, Cameron.
Smell Uncle Matt so he can send that to your grandpa.